Good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope all are good. And in this class we are going to discuss and perform a simple experiment related to your chemistry concept, that is acids, bases and salts. Okay. Dear students, you are familiar with these compounds. Any chemical substances, any chemical compounds are classified into three categories: the acids, bases and salts on the basis of their pH value. Then what is this pH? Okay, pH, it indicates the power of hydrogen. The power of hydrogen decides whether the given solution is acidic, basic or it is a salt. Okay, here our practical consists two parts. One is theory part and second one is practical part. And in theoretical part, here is the name of the experiment, that is finding the pH of the following samples by using pH paper or universal indicators. And the given samples are like this: dilute HCl, dilute H2SO4, dilute ethanoic acid, sodium hydroxide solution, ammonium hydroxide solution and water. Okay, for all these compounds we have to find the pH by using this pH paper or universal indicator. On the basis of their pH, it is decided that whether the given solution is acidic, basic or it is in neutral state. Okay, dear students, you are familiar in the theoretical class. Okay, you are already familiar the theoretical concept related to the acids, bases and salts. What are acids? Okay, what is their pH value? And what are bases? What is their pH value? And regarding the salts, how they form. Okay, all these concepts you are already familiar. Okay, and here in this class we are going to find the pH of these samples. Okay, for all these 6 compounds we have to find the pH and next decide whether the given solution is acidic or basic. And this is regarding the theoretical part. Okay, next we are going to perform the practical part, the experimental part. Okay, here we go. Dear students, the solutions or samples are like this for this experiment. Here the first one is dilute hydrochloric acid, dilute HCl, and second one is dilute H2SO4, dilute sulfuric acid, and third one is dilute acetic acid or ethanoic acid, and next one is sodium hydroxide solution, that is NaOH solution, and here ammonium hydroxide solution, NH4OH, and this one is water. Okay, these are the samples we are going to perform on experiment on these chemicals. And here we have dropper to get the liquids. For each solution we have different droppers because to avoid the mixing of the chemicals. Okay, if the chemicals are mixed, it may cause us the deviations in the readings. And important thing for this experiment is the pH paper. Okay, here is the pH paper. Here this pH paper band consists leaves, pH leaves. These are the pH papers. And here the main important thing is the color coding. Here the pH 1, 3, 5, 6, 7 is there. Okay, this color coding decides whether the given solution is acidic or basic. And here also there pH. Okay, according to the color we decide the pH of that particular solution. Okay, these are the important things we are used the materials required for this experiment. Okay, dear students, this is the pH paper, single pH paper. Okay, here I am going to take a dilute solution, hydrochloric acid, 1 or 2 drops of dilute hydrochloric acid, and put this drop of solution on the pH paper. Okay, this is how the pH paper changes its color. Okay, observe that. Okay, it changes its color. Now compare this color with the color coding present in the pH paper. Okay, here the pH of the given solution, that is dilute hydrochloric acid, is 1. The pH of the dilute hydrochloric acid is 1 because it matches the color, that is 1. Okay, so the pH of this dilute HCl is 1. The next solution is dilute sulfuric acid, dilute H2SO4. By using the dropper, take 1 or 2 drops of H2SO4 and put it on the pH paper like this. Okay, the change in the pH, change in the color of the pH takes place, pH paper, and now compare it with the color coding present on the pH paper. Okay, it's also similar, that is pH is 1. Okay, the color is matches with the 1, so the pH of dilute H2SO4 is 1. Dear students, the next solution is dilute CH3COOH. Okay, dilute acetic acid, or in other words, that is ethanoic acid. Okay, put 1 or 2 drops of ethanoic acid on the pH paper. Okay, here also slightly changes its color, and now match it with the pH paper. Now here the pH is almost similar to the 6, okay, between 6 or 5. Okay, it changes its color. So the pH of the ethanoic acid is, it lies in between the 5 and 6. Okay, approximately taken as 5.5. Okay, and the next solution is sodium hydroxide, is NaOH solution. Take 1 or 2 drops of NaOH and put it on the pH paper. Look here, pH paper changes its color to blue, dark blue. Now compare it with the pH paper. Here it is equal to the 14. Okay, almost it is equal to the 14. So the pH of the sodium hydroxide solution is 14. Okay, and the next solution is ammonium hydroxide solution, NH4OH, and here take 1 or 2 drops and put it on the pH paper. Here also pH paper changes its color. Now compare it with paper. Okay, it's almost equal to the 12. So the pH of this ammonium hydroxide solution is approximately equal to 12. The last sample is water. Take 1 or 2 drops of water and put it on the pH paper. Observe here. There is no change in the color of the pH paper. Just compare it with the band of the pH paper. Okay, it is 7. So the pH of this water is 7. Okay, it is neutral in nature. It's not acidic or basic. It is neutral in nature. Okay, from this experiment, we concluded that is samples like dilute HCl considers the pH 1, and dilute H2SO4 its pH is 1, and dilute acetic acid or ethanoic acid its pH is 6, and sodium hydroxide its pH is 14, and ammonium hydroxide its pH is 12, and water its pH is 7. Okay, according to the pH value, okay, we have to decide whether the given solution is acidic or basic. Okay, we know that the pH scale considers the readings from 1 to 14. If the readings are lies in between the 1 to 7, okay, that solution is considered as acid. If the readings are lies in between 7 to 14, and that kind of solutions are considered as bases. If it is exactly 7, that solution is neutral in nature. Okay, here for dilute HCl the pH is 1. Okay, type of solution is acidic. And second one is dilute sulfuric acid, its pH value is 1, so it's also acidic in nature. And second one is dilute ethanoic acid, its pH value is 6. Okay, if the pH value is lies in between 1 to 7, considered as acidic. And here sodium hydroxide is there, NaOH, its pH value is 14. If the pH values are lies in between 7 to 14, it's considered as The given solution is considered as basic. And here also it is a base, and here water. Its pH value is exactly equal to the 7 and it is neutral. Now either acidic or basic. Okay, it is neutral in nature. Exactly 7. Okay, by this experiment we decide that the given solutions are acidic or basic or neutral on the basis of their pH value. Okay, this is a simple experiment. We have to find the pH of a particular given solution on the basis of their pH value. Okay, thank you.